dark. That's such a video. It's such a video. Okay, to be fair, I want a new intro for my YouTubes. For my videos, so. When the enemy is working hard. Rewind. Hi guys, hello, hi. Yep, the energy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Nicole Vivo. In case you forgot, I'm really executing this year, man. And I'm back again with another interesting video. I hope you enjoy. Anyways, I'm back again with another interesting video, as I've said before. And this is an update about my hair. Let me just zoom in or zoom out. Zoom out a little bit. Oh, can you see my wall? Okay, you can see all of it, but like, yeah, new aesthetics. Anyways, we're back again with another interesting video. And I just came up here to tell you guys that my hair has been locked for 1 full year. Can you imagine?
My coffee.
Whole 365 days. Dreadlock journey, is that you I see? Because you're looking like a Fanta bottle. 10 out of 10. Figure 8. If you don't get it, forget about it. Anyways, let me show you my hair before I start getting more distracted. So this is the front. You can see it's locking. You can see it. You can see the vision. It's there. You can see. And this is my favorite side because the side has locked so beautifully and so lusciously. Like, I feel like I'm part of the gang now. Okay, not the gang. I'm joking, not the gang. The community. I can't believe it. I said this as two-strand twists, and now they're like, look! You didn't see me coming. I got you. Let me be serious. This is the back. My hair can shake, guys. Prepare right now, it'll be sick of me. Oh, sorry. This is the other side. It's not yet locked fully, but we're getting there. Right back into the front. I don't know how much to tell you, but just to let you know that my hair's been locked for 1 full year. And I'm not letting anyone on this internet breathe. Everyone must find out that I've been locked for 1 year because let me tell you, if I just insert picture, in fact I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna insert pictures of every month recap because when I tell you I was humbled. See, I started last year January and I did like mini twists. I'll insert the picture. So tell me why 3 weeks later my hair went from here to here. It went shrink and said, I am here and I am here to stay. The way that face humbled me, and then each time I reduce my hair, like it's okay, it's over here. And then when after the next day I wake up, it's like shrinkage really showed me who's boss. And then I thought, they won't shrink. No one told me that they won't shrink. I was not told. Okay, though I know my hair usually shrinks, but I thought the dreadlocks wouldn't shrink. Anyways, those are just my thoughts. What else? Oh, there's a phase where I was just wearing a bucket hat. Let me even show you the hat I was wearing because I was wearing this hat like 24/7. So it has two sides. Sorry, that's the back. Anyways, the side. Yeah, I was wearing it like this on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, I would switch it up like this. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I would switch it up like this. Saturday, I would switch it up like this. I couldn't be caught because it humbled me. It really humbled me. It said, calm down, relax. It's gonna be a journey. And we're gonna get through it. Because I'm here 1 year later. I'm telling you, prepare right now to be sick of me because the energy I'm giving you 2025. So I can take a drug soda for breakfast when I just had tea and bread and eggs. Okay, that is so not relevant, but yeah, I'm here for vibes.
What the hell?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All those good things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. When I tell you I recorded the baddest outro on the internet and it's... You know, I looked at my camera and I'm like, wait a minute. It's not recording. Yo. Anyways, let me do it again. Hi guys, thank you for reaching the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all those good things, and leave your comments below. I promise to answer them. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.